Meaning of deferential.
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 Deferential. The word deferential typically means showing respect, submission, or yielding to the opinion or will of another person. It is often used in situations where one person acknowledges the authority or expertise of another and behaves accordingly. A deferential person might be described as polite, courteous, or humble in their interactions with others. This type of behavior can be seen in a variety of settings, such as when seeking advice from a mentor, interacting with a superior at work, or dealing with someone who is older or more experienced.